Alright guys, so the topic for today's sermon is well, I'm taking a nice little quick stroll just to talk to you guys about something. It's approximately 11 minutes past 10 and we have a class at 11 a.m. For those who don't know, I am a full-time college student, so I have classes to attend, plus make YouTube videos, plus do a little side hustling. Yeah. So the topic that I want to talk to you guys about is basically avoid riding when you're in a bad mood. And a lot of people are going to have mixed feelings about that, because some people will say that, yo, why am I going to avoid riding when I'm in a bad mood if riding a bike puts me in a good mood? Now, to basically answer that question is the reason why I say avoid riding when you're in a bad mood is because what you want to do, or what a lot of guys do actually, is when you're in a bad mood and you jump on your bike, you might make some rash decisions. What I mean by that is you might make some dumb and fool decisions. So you might overtake round corner where you can't see around. You might lick down some dogs. You might even be riding too fast and you don't even know it. Too fast for your good, and you yourself don't even realize it. Oh my god, there's a cat! Meow! So that is what I mean by avoid riding when you are angry. Because the whole away, everybody gets angry at some point, and a lot of us, when we do get angry, we can't control ourselves as we would normally, you know. A lot of us have short tempers and short fuse, so when we get angry, it's like we want to kill something or we want to kill somebody, right? And no, I'm not encouraging anybody to kill anything when you're angry. Unless that thing that you want to kill is already dead. You understand? So for me personally, I do ride when I'm angry, and it's never a good thing. But after me done the nice little journey, it's like riding the bike helps you to relieve the anger. You understand? So sometimes me at home and my mom will say certain things and me just storm out of the house mad. And me just jump on the bike and me just crank it open. And personally, me have self-control, so me know say, yo, me know say, I know that I cannot be riding too hard for too long, because in some of these places Once you lose control of your bike, are you that? You see that you reach over one precipice, over one gully, or you end up in somebody's vehicle and you know, some bad things can happen. So what you always should try to do is to calm yourself down. Calm yourself down before you hop over the bike. I mean, give and take. Oh, this a tree up pop down the light wire. I mean, give and take. There will be moments where you're legit angry you have to ride. But whenever there are moments like that, you have to try exercise self-control. You know? Don't do no fool overtake and you see me? Don't do anything rash that will cost you. Always try to act in a manner that yo, you can say it's a good thing I didn't do that, it's a good thing I didn't do this. You see me? Or what you can do is, if you're angry and you have to ride, you have to jump on your bike. Set like your speed. If your speedometer work, set a speed where you say, alright, no matter how I'm angry, me not go over that speed there. You see me? So like, let's say maybe 50, most of the speed limits here are like 50 kilometers per hour. So if you don't know that, yeah, most of the speed limit in most areas is 50. So set your thing at 50. I know 50 is kind of slow, to be honest. 50 is kind of slow. But even set that as a conditional speed where you can say, yo, no matter how I'm angry, I'm not going to go over 50. Or don't make your rev them pass maybe like 6 or 7,000. Because the higher the rev, the faster you're going to go. And the higher the bike will rev and all of them something there. And with some bikes, when you crank it up, man, you hear that sweet sound. It's like you say, give me more. You understand? So you and yourself have to practice at some self-control in order to know, say, no matter how I'm angry, brother, no matter how I'm angry, me, I go watch out on the road. You see me? But I want to hear your guys' view on the whole riding a bike when you're angry thing. You see me? Because enough time I might be on a block, you see me? And me see a bike rider zoom past, the man gone, speed past. And if you're looking at the brother face, the man face get up, angry. I say, yo, I want to him, why am I move so? And God forbid 2 twos, you hear say, he meet in an accident down the road or something. Because when you're angry, it's like, you don't tend to think rational. You don't have rational thoughts. You just think about, it's like when you're angry, some of your senses just cut off. You just want to move, you just want to go. You see me? So I want to hear your guys' view, you guys' view on the whole riding when you're angry thing. Because enough time reach my destination? No, I almost reached my destination. Yeah, I almost reached my destination. So anytime the video cut off, that's when I reach my destination. Yeah. So me personally, I try to avoid riding when I'm angry, but at the same time, the only thing that can calm the anger is basically riding. You see me? And I want to go ahead and big up everybody that has been supporting the videos. I really appreciate it. Like, It's overwhelming support, brother. Like, thank you guys so friggin' much. Thanks to everyone who subscribed. Thanks to everyone who liked the video. As a matter of fact, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up right now. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I wish I could call out everybody's name, but me I go miss every one of them. And my memory is not that 100%. So thanks to everybody who has been supporting the videos. I have a plethora of videos more to come, like a lot more. And I know that a lot of guys have been asking about the How to Ride series. The How to Ride series is on its way. There's one thing, when I'm doing that series, I want to make sure that my bike is, you know, fully up. Alright, because there's one thing with my bike right now, that if I'm doing the How to Ride series, I have to have that thing. And I'm working on it. You understand? So just stay tuned, guys. I think I'm almost where I'm supposed to be going. Yeah. I'm actually in, however that's your name, I don't know, but Glengarth. They call over this place. This is not really Glengarth where I'm at. I'm gonna reach Glengarth yet. Glengarth the further down the road. But this is basically the border of St. Andrew and St. Andrew Retreat. Yeah, some figure. St. Andrew and what that place name? Border of St. Andrew and St. Catherine, yeah. Years now, I no come down here saying, no, brother, oh my God. And if I remember, respond me vehicle. Years now, I no come down that road here, my G. Yeah. So what do you guys think about riding when you're angry? Should you do it? Should you not do it? I respond for turn again, yeah, so? Yeah. Last time I come down here, some vehicle couldn't go down here, so, you know, but look like everything alright, you know? Is there? I tell you, say, yo, there are so many uncharted areas of Jamaica that we have to explore, brother. I know everywhere I go, of course, because some places are so dangerous. But I'm telling you, you have some places to have some views, brother, like, my goodness gracious, man. Holy shabba-doodle-doo. How me I go come out of here, so? Alright, drop him in a first gear. Up this or straight down. I use the compression for balance, for slow myself down. I hope me can stop when me reach down there, so you know. Alright, nice road there down there. Yay! I think me reach, you know. Yeah man, I think me reach at the yard there. Whee! Good morning. Ugly Shani, where you look for me for? You don't know, you don't think me know where you live? Eh? You think of who? Brendan. Brendan? He ride bike? He ride bike? Eh?